In this video we will look at the Icom IP503. The battery is removed by releasing the two catches at the top of the battery and tilting the battery away from the unit. The belt clip can be removed by releasing the catch at the top of the battery and sliding it upwards off the battery. Attaching the battery is the opposite. When you hear a click, the battery is fully secured into place. To power on the device, rotate the volume switch clockwise and set to the desired audio level. The device will boot and connect to the 4G network. The signal strength is visible in the top left corner. If the signal is too weak, the device will emit a short beep. The largest button on the side of the device is the PTT, which when pressed allows the user to talk. Release the PTT when you have finished speaking and await reply. A red LED indicates the device is transmitting and a green LED indicates the device is receiving. The battery indicator is visible top right. Each IP503 has a unique ID number. This is visible on the top line. The second line of text indicates the talk group that the device is connected to. To change the talk group, press the function button and using the up and down arrows select the desired channel. Click the CLR button to return to the home screen. To lock and unlock the device, hold the lock key for 2 seconds. A range of audio accessories are available for the IP503. They can be attached by peeling back the rubber dust cover on the side of the unit and inserting the two-pronged plug. To charge the battery, insert the radio with battery attached into the charger. A battery can also be charged on its own. An orange LED will confirm the battery is charging. The LED will turn solid green when the battery is 100% charged.